Here's everything you might have missed in railway news this week, presented by the Canadian Association of Railway Suppliers. The City of London reminds motorists of repairs being made to the CN Railway Bridge at Worthley Road between Stanley Street and Beaconsfield Avenue. The repairs will take place August 31st to September 1st, September 9th to 15th, September 22nd to 29th. Detours will be available. Last Friday, the Minister of Transport announced that the Government of Canada is providing over $100 million over 5 years starting in 2021-2022 for Transport Canada to continue to advance the safe and secure transportation of people and goods by rail. CP has approached the Kansas City Southern Board to reaffirm its interest in taking over the railway after U.S. regulators rejected a key part of the CN's bid. CP Rail has maintained that its offer, worth about $31 billion including debt, is superior to CN's bid, worth about $33.6 billion including debt, because it carries less regulatory risk. Visit railwaysuppliers.ca/news for more railway updates. Have a safe and healthy week, and we will see you back here for the InsideTrack recap next Friday.